Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video, I want to share some tips and my experiences in organizing the kitchen. This video can be helpful to any type of kitchen. Here I am not mentioning any type of organizers. We spend most of the time in our kitchen. So by having an organized kitchen, our work becomes so easy and also it saves time. If you like this content, don't forget to subscribe. Let's see those ideas one by one. Keeping all your Pyrex sets and along with the glassware sets with the lid as per the size in a bigger shelf will make your kitchen look so much organized, and also it is aesthetically pleasing to your eyes. It is so convenient to take out any bowl or any glass set to store the food. These are command hook card bundlers that can be used for our kitchen appliances which has the long cards so that it can prevent tangling. It is a double-sided tape so we can stick one side to the appliance and the in the hook we can also keep the long cards of the appliance. Here I am attaching it to the grinder. We can attach this command hook to any other kitchen appliance which has a long cord so that it is easy to store in anywhere in the kitchen. Keeping all sort of items that we use together in a single place will save your time. For example, in this shelf I kept all my chopping boards along with knives so that we can use together. And the same way I also kept my chapati rolling pan and roller and atta so we can use all together, which can save your time and no need to search for them. In the same way I kept the bigger bowl for washing the vegetables along with the strainer together. Clear containers with the labels is a very good idea to store any items, and keeping them near to your stove can save you a lot of time. Using the right organizers in your kitchen not only saves your space but it also increases ease of access while cooking, so thereby it saves time. I made a separate video about the kitchen organizers. Please check it out. I will give the link in the description box below. By using these organizers, we can separate the items as per the category and we can easily access them. I keep a basket near to my pans to keep all the lids of the pans. It is kind of big and it holds like 6 to 7 lids of the pans. It is really working well and I have been using it from past 1 year. And this is one way of good organizing the lids of your pans in a cheaper way. Allot some space in your kitchen for the lunch boxes. I placed one basket where I kept all different kinds of thermos along with small boxes. So in the morning time there is no need to search for a different items. So this is a small box to keep the ketchup, and next to that there is a lunch bag, and we also have some other thermos together in the back side. So it is easy to grab any of the boxes here. Out of these ideas, please let me know in the comment section what is your favorite idea and which one you are already following it. Keep the rarely used heavy items and rarely used items on the top rack or upper rack, which can save your space in your kitchen. Placing the heavy bottom pans on next to the stove and at the bottom can be helpful for you to easily grab them. I kept all my bakeware set in one shelf so that it is easy for me to grab all the related items together. I kept my serveware in a different shelf and on the top rack. We are not using that on a daily basis, so we can keep them in a different location. I hope these ideas and suggestions can be helpful to arrange your kitchen. If you like this video, please give a like and share it any idea you like in the comment section.